If you are looking for the best truck seat covers, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. BarksBar Luxury Pet Car Seat Cover. BarksBar's pet seat covers offer a comfortable option in seat covers designed with your furry best friend in mind. If your pet loves riding in your truck's seats, then he or she will probably favor both the padding and protection offered by this seat cover design. If you purchase this product, you'll get a durable design featuring double stitching and waterproof fabric that can protect your truck seats from the elements and your pet. Number 2. FH Group Leatherette Front Seat Cushions. For starters, the pair of front seat covers have a high-quality faux leather construction, which will make your truck's interior look very high-end. This specific one also has red trims on a black leather canvas, and this adds a sporty feel. However, there are other multiple options to choose from in different colors to match the specific theme of your car's interior. Whichever color you choose, each cover has a top zipper opening plus elastic trim edges, which offer size adjustments to fit the piece snugly over the car seat. Number 3. Leader Accessories Waterproof Seat Cover. Leader Accessories made its waterproof towel blanket seat covers with plenty of stylish choices, simple maintenance features, and long-lasting design. Since this seat covers come with a one-size-fits-all approach, customers may be able to use them in most Ford, Dodge, and Chevy truck models. The strong material in these seat covers provides a tough design that is both waterproof and machine washable. The high-quality fabric comprising these seat covers offers plenty of weather protection. Number 4. Copap 4% Universal Stripe Front Seat Cover. Copap's IASC009F is not only a truck seat cover, but it also brings in some form of decoration into your truck's interior because of its colorful Baja flavor design. This Baja design is imprinted on a saddle blanket material, which forms the top layer, and this is supported by a 3mm foam padding below. Combined, these two layers form a comfortable cover that is also breathable for additional comfort. Number 5. FH Group Classic Cloth Seat Covers. This truck seat cover from FH Group comes as a set of two high-back front bucket covers that are built as single pieces, and are usable on seats with either removable or non-removable headrests. The pair is also designed to accommodate traditional or heated seats and fits in almost all kinds of seats in different cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. Although not waterproof, the fabric used to make these two pieces is a highly breathable small fishnet sandwich cloth that is backed by a 3mm foam on the inside, making the entire structure very comfortable. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.